Good morning students, welcome back to Idahant IIT Academy. Today our lecture, some important definitions in atomic structure chapter. See this: atomic number, mass number, isotopes, isobars, isotones, isodiaphers, isoelectronic and isosters. Okay, let us discuss all these definitions. First one, atomic structure. Atomic number, it is denoted by Z. It is the number of protons in a nucleus. The number of protons in a nucleus is called as atomic number. For example, hydrogen. In its nucleus, it has only one proton. That's why atomic number of hydrogen Z is equal to 1. Carbon. In its nucleus, it has 6 protons. That's why atomic number Z is equal to 6. Neon. It has 10 protons. That's why atomic number Z is equal to 10. Sodium. It has 11 protons in its nucleus. That's why atomic number 11. So the number of protons in a nucleus of an atom called as atomic number. For example, calcium atomic number 20. That means calcium has 20 protons in its nucleus. That's why atomic number 20. Argon atomic number 18. That means it has 18 protons in its nucleus. Zinc atomic number 30. That means it has 30 protons in its nucleus. Okay, so finally atomic number means the number of protons in a nucleus of an atom is called as atomic number. Here remember one thing: in a neutral atom, the number of protons equal to number of electrons. In a neutral atom, that means there is no charge on atom, then number of protons equal to number of electrons. For example, if you can take hydrogen atom, neutral, it has 1 proton and 1 electron. Fluorine, neutral atom, it has 9 protons, 9 electrons. But if we can take charged space, that means whether positive charge or negative charge. We know positively charged space known as cation, negatively charged space known as anion. Positive charge, for example H plus. How a positive charge is formed? By losing electrons. One positive charge means it loses 1 electron, but protons remain same. Positive charge by loss electron, negative charge by gaining electrons. H plus, that means it lost 1 electron. Then how many protons here? 1 proton. It has 1 electron in its nucleus. H plus means it lost this 1 electron, then 0 electrons. That's why H plus also called as proton. So in H plus, in hydrogen atom there is 1 proton and 1 electron, but in H plus only 1 proton but 0 electrons. Positive charge means it lost electrons. 1 positive charge means it lost 1 electron. 2 positive charge means it lost 2 electrons. N positive charge means it lost n electrons. Okay, Next one, sodium. In sodium, 11 protons and 11 electrons, but in Na plus, protons remain same, 11 protons, but it lose 1 electron, that's why 10 electrons. In sodium 11 electrons, but in Na plus 10 electrons. In a neutral atom, number of protons equal to number of electrons in a neutral atom, but in a charged space, number of protons not equal to number of electrons, but in a neutral atom, number of protons equal to number of electrons. Got it? Chlorine, it has 17 protons, 17 electrons in its nucleus, 17 protons in its nucleus, and also it has 17 electrons. Neutral atom. In a neutral atom, number of protons equal to number of electrons. But in Cl minus, how negative charge is formed? By gaining electrons. So it gain 1 electron. That's why number of protons 17 protons, number of electrons 17 plus 1. Actually in neutral atom 17, negative charge means it gain 1 electron, 17 plus 1, 18 electrons. Oxygen, 8 protons, 8 electrons. O2 minus, oxide ion, O2 minus, protons remain same, there is no change in protons. O2 minus, that means it gained 2 electrons. Negative charge, 2 minus means it gained 2 electrons. 1 negative charge means it gained 1 electron. N negative charge means it gained n electrons. So minus 2 or 2 minus or minus 2. It gained 2 electrons. 8 plus 2, 10 electrons. Got it? The difference? In a neutral atom, protons equal to electrons, but in a charged space, number of protons not equal to number of electrons. Okay, so positive charge is formed by losing electrons, negative charge is formed by gaining electrons. Next one, atomic number over. Next one, mass number. Mass number, it is denoted by A. Mass number, A is equal to, it is the sum of number of protons plus number of neutrons in a nucleus. We know nucleus contains protons and neutrons, that the sum of protons and neutrons is equal to mass number. A is equal to P plus N. We know number of protons equal to atomic number. That's why Z is replaced. P is replaced with Z because number of protons equal to atomic number. Z plus N. Now we are getting a formula to find number of neutrons. N is equal to A minus Z. So this is the formula for finding number of neutrons. Number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Mass number A is equal to sum of number of protons plus number of neutrons. Here N is equal to neutrons, P is equal to protons. We know number of protons equal to atomic number Z. That's why I wrote Z in the place of P. A is equal to Z plus N, then N is equal to A minus Z. For suppose if an element X with atomic number Z and mass number A, then that is denoted by like this. An element X, the atomic number Z and mass number A, then the element is denoted by like this, XZ2A. Or X Z2E. This is also notation. You can write it anyway. XZ2E or XZ2E. Here Z atomic number, A mass number. Okay. So let us discuss some examples. 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. Here mass number 1, here mass number 2, here mass number 3. We know hydrogen atomic number 1, 1, 1, hydrogen atomic number. These are mass numbers. Example, carbon 6C12. Here atomic number 6, mass number 12. How to find number of neutrons? Number of neutrons N is equal to 12 mass number A minus atomic number Z 6. 12 minus 6, 6. Fluorine 9 to 19. Number of neutrons N is equal to mass number 19, atomic number 9. 19 minus 9, 10. Okay. So finally number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. So this is the notation of an element with atomic number Z and mass number A. Mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Okay. So second definition over. Now we are going to discuss isotopes. Isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of same element with different mass number. Atoms of same element with different mass number called as isotope. Atoms of same element with different mass number called as isotope. Example, hydrogen isotopes 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. These are hydrogen isotopes. Here see, atoms of same element, hydrogen element, atoms of same element, different mass number. Here mass number 1, mass number 2, mass number 3. So how to find number of neutrons for these isotopes? Number of neutrons N is equal to, we know, mass number minus atomic number. Mass number 1, atomic number 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, so generally this 1H1 isotope is known as protium. This 1H2 isotope known as deuterium. This 1H3 isotope is known as tritium. So these are names of these isotopes, hydrogen isotopes. 1H1 protium, 1H2 deuterium, 1H3 tritium. Okay, important. So isotopes are atoms of same element with different mass number called as isotopes. Next one, for example, carbon 6C12, carbon 6C13. Carbon isotopes. Here number of neutrons 12 minus 6, 6, 13 minus 6, 7 number of neutrons. Nitrogen 7 to 14, nitrogen 7 to 15. Here number of neutrons 14 minus 7, 7, 15 minus 7, 8 number of neutrons. Chlorine isotopes, chlorine 17 to 35, chlorine 17 to 37. Here isotopes, number of neutrons n is equal to 35 minus 17, 18, 37 minus 17, 20. So isotopes are atoms of same element with different mass number. Same element means atomic number also same. Okay, so these are isotopes. Hydrogen isotopes 1H1, 1H2, 1H3, and 1H1 known as protium, 1H2 deuterium, 1H3 tritium. Okay, now we are going to discuss isobars. Isobars. See, isobars are atoms of different elements with same mass number atoms of different elements with same mass number called as isobars. But isotopes, atoms of same element with different mass number, but here atoms of different elements with same mass number. Example, 1H3 helium 223. See this, atoms hydrogen, helium, different elements, atoms of different elements with same mass number. Different elements means automatically atomic number also different. Here atomic number, hydrogen atomic number 1, helium atomic number 2. Atoms of different elements, this is hydrogen element atom, this is helium element atom. Hydrogen, helium, different element atoms, different elements with same mass number. Atomic number also different because different elements, no, that's why atomic number also different. Okay, next, nitrogen 7 to 15, oxygen 8 to 15. Different elements, nitrogen, oxygen, mass number same, mass number 15, here also mass number 15. Next one, argon 18 to 40, calcium 20 to 40. These are also different elements with same mass number called as isobars. Isotopes, atoms of same element with different mass number, same atomic number, but isobars, atoms of different elements with same mass number, different atomic number, called as isobars. Next one, isotones. Isotones. Isotones are atoms of different elements with different atomic number and mass number, but having same number of neutrons, This is isotones, atoms of different elements with different atomic number and mass number, but having same number of neutrons, called isotones. Example, see, 1H3, here number of neutrons number of neutrons 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Helium 2 to 4, number of neutrons 4 minus 2, 2. Here number of neutrons 2, here also number of neutrons 2. Mass number different, atomic number different, different elements. Atoms of different elements with different atomic number, different mass number, but same number of neutrons, called as isotones. One more example. See, nitrogen 7 to 14, carbon 6 to 13. Different elements, different mass number, different atomic number. Number of neutrons 14 minus 7, 7. 13 minus 6, 7. Number of neutrons same, but mass number different, atomic number different, different elements. So these are called isotones. Next, isodiaphers. Isodiaphers means atoms of different elements having same isotopic number, 2Z. Isodiaphers. Isodiaphers. Isodiaphers are atoms of different elements. Atoms of different elements having same isotopic number. Isotopic number means A minus 2Z. This is isotopic number. A minus 2Z. We know A is equal to mass number, Z is equal to atomic number. Okay, let us discuss some examples. See. One H3, carbon 6 to 13, fluorine 9 to 19, sodium 11 to 23, potassium 9 to 19. Say this. Now find A minus 2Z value for these. A minus 2Z. A value 3, Z value 1, 2Z, 2 into 1, 2, 1. Here A value 13, 2Z, 2 6 are 12, 13 minus 12, 1. Here 19 minus 2Z, 2 9s are 18, 1. Mass number A 23 minus 2 11s are 22, 1. Mass number 19, atomic number 9, 2 9, potassium 19 to 39, 19 to 39, 19, mass number 39, atomic number 19, 2 19, 38, 1. See, isotopic number A minus 2Z value same for all these A minus 2Z values same. Different elements, different mass number and a different atomic number, but having same isotopic number, called as isodiaphers. Isodiaphers are atoms of different elements having same isotopic number. Isotopic number means A minus 2Z. We know A is equal to mass number, Z is equal to atomic number. So we are taking some examples. All these are isodiaphers each other. Okay. Again, see, isotopic number means A minus 2Z. We know A is equal to Z plus N, number of protons plus number of neutrons. Mass number A is equal to number of protons. A is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Already we discussed. But number of protons is equal to atomic number. That's why A is equal to Z plus N minus 2Z. Z, 1Z cancel. Finally N minus Z. So A minus 2Z also equal to N minus Z. That's why we can define isodiaphers in another way also. Atoms of different elements having same difference of neutrons and protons. Same difference of neutrons and protons. Z is equal to proton. Number of atomic number Z is equal to proton. That's why also written as N minus P. Okay. So we can define isodiaphers in another way also. Atoms of different elements having same difference of neutrons, and protons, that is N minus P. Okay. Atoms of different elements having same isotopic number A minus 2Z. Again A minus 2Z is equal to N minus P. That's why we can define in another way also. Atoms of different elements having same difference. Negative means, minus means difference, no? So same difference of neutrons and protons, that is N minus P. That is isodiapher. Next, isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species means, see, atoms or ions or molecules with same number of electrons. Isoelectronic means finally same element